What's up, YouTube? Home and Nickel Barbecue back with you again. It's Saturday night, I'm home alone, and I'm hungry, and I don't feel like going to the store, so we're going to make do with what we got in the house. I think we got some stuff. We can make some garlic bread pizzas. We'll see what we can do. Stay tuned. Pepperoni. We're missing something. Gotta have sauce. Alright, here's what we're doing. We're putting these 2 pieces of garlic bread on. We're going to throw them in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes, take them back out, and start building pizza. Alright, here's the reason we put them in for a couple minutes. We want one side to get a little bit crispy. Flip these things over. See a little bit of crisp. Hot, hot, hot. Flip them over. Start building your pizza on this side. A little bit of sauce. Spread it out. Alright, I'll bring it back for everything else. Alright, as you can see, I cut up that pepperoni. I didn't figure you wanted to watch me do that. Spread that across here. We're doing this down and dirty because I'm hungry and we don't have time for perfection. Get that on there. Grab us some mozzarella. Sprinkle that on there. Back in the oven for probably 5 more minutes. Alright, beeper went off. Time to pull it out. Sizzle cam. Alright, we're going to let these cool, and then we're going to try them out. Alright guys, let's see what this tastes like. Simple, took 7-8 minutes to make. Try it out. Hey, if you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up, give me a subscribe. Hit the bell, don't hit the bell, I don't care. Thanks for watching, love you guys. See you next time.